Okay, I'm going to show how to begin this applied I-cord to the edge of this opening right here. So I have my provisional cast on down here on the crochet chain. 4 stitches were picked up from that with my working yarn. All right, pulling this tail a little more snug. I'm going to knit the first 3 stitches. And I'm going to slip the 4th one purlwise with yarn in back. Then I'm going to do a yarn over, which is because I have multiple colors here. So that kind of covers up the contrasting color if you're picking up a stitch in that area. Okay, so then I'm going to pick up a stitch. And I'm going to stick my needle in, pick up that yarn over and that slip stitch, and pass them over the stitch I just picked up. I'm back to 4 stitches, pull it snug. Okay, so now I'm attached here. This is just going to kind of hang out because we're going to use that later to join it together. Alright, so I'm pushing these back on the needle to this side. My working yarn's still back here. Knitting the first 3. Slipping the last one. Alright, yarn over. Pick up a stitch. Get that yarn over and the slipped stitch and pass them over the picked up stitch. Alright, slide my needle back, 4 stitches again. Knit the first 3, slip the 4th one, yarn over, down in here, pick up a stitch. Oops. Get that yarn over and the slip stitch, pass them over the new picked up stitch. Knit the first 3, slip the last one, yarn over, pick up a stitch. Slip the yarn over and slip the stitch, pass them over the picked up stitch. Okay, 4 stitches again. You can see starting to take shape here. Okay, so I'm going to work that all the way around the edge of this opening here until I get right here to the end.